Guten Tag. I'm Rick Steves. Actually, guten Abend. It's late. I'm hungry. It's time for dinner. But I'm in Vienna, and I'm just surrounded by so much history. I had to share with you how great Vienna is. I'm here in Michaelsplatz, right in front of the Hofburg. That was the home of the Holy Roman Emperor, the Habsburg Empire, and the Habsburgs, Franz Josef, and so on, Maria Theresa. And here we have a bit of Roman Vienna, reminding that this city goes back 2,000 years when it was called Vindobona. And when you just think about on this square, we've got that gateway to the Habsburg Palace, the Hofburg. We've got the Spanish riding school just down the street. We've got Michaelis Church right there, the Church of St. Michael, and this is where Mozart's Requiem was performed for the first time. And there is history all around in the traffic-free center of this beautiful city. And I was just kind of pondering this face-off between old and new. Here we have the Emperor's last construction, really, built around the year 1900. This is Neo-Rococo, celebrating the whole notion of divine monarch. In fact, we've got 4 statues of Hercules with his struggles, because Hercules was a demigod, and the emperors liked us to think that they were demigods too, divinely ordained to rule us without any question. And that was built around 1900. And across the way we have a very simple, modern, bold statement that this is the modern world. This is moving beyond the concept of the old regime, the emperors. And this was built in the year 1900. 1900? 1900 by Adolf Loos. Imagine the emperor having to look at this unadorned bit of modernity staring him right in the Neo-Rococo face. And the fact is, 20 years later, there was no more Habsburg family rule in the city. The whole concept of divine monarchy was gone. World War I had ripped Europe apart, and the modern age was upon us. Happy and thoughtful travels from Vienna.